pointed up the way. If you go in and grasp it strong, get the stem, 2 fingers, pluck it off like you mean business.
Yeah. If I go in.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right, okay.
I know how to do it.
Okay, here we go. Yes. Invincible.
Dúchorm analaga, agus dé sér rud strúbach.
So you want to use them in cooking or baking. You then have a bowl of ice water next to it. Plunge them straight in, and then they retain the colour.
Okay.
So you get that vibrant green.
So you blanch them and then into the ice water?
Mm.
Yeah.